What's up? Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. No matter where you are on this wonderful, wonderful world. My name is Sean K of
Heli Direct.
That's right. I have a surprise for you. This is a brand new line. Well, I'm not going to say brand new. It's not like they just created it yesterday, but it is new. It is emerging. There's some talk about it, either good, bad, or indifferent. It's being talked about. But it's my job to present you with the evidence, like a lawyer presenting you with the evidence of things that I see before my eyes. It is the Steam 700. They call it the Steam AK700, as you can see here, AK700 helicopter. I have a lot of questions about this kit. I don't know what's in the kit. I do not know how it flies. I saw it fly at the Thailand Heli Blowout, and they were flying this extremely hard, and it was taking every bit of the collective pitch, rudder, reversals, all that stuff like a champ. But a sport flyer, I think you'll be A-okay with the performance, or someone who's doing mild 3D, or even if you're doing really hard 3D. I'm gonna get into this kit. We're gonna do a quick unboxing. We're gonna look at what's in the kit, what it comes with, what it doesn't come with. Let's check this out. Let's go. This is kind of different. It's like most of the time it's one of those boxes that fold down with the lips in the side and you kind of pull it out. And then this one is an actual box with a top to it. A box with a top. Sounds like a song. Box with a top. That box with a top. Okay. All right. Here we go. Let's look at the canopy first. All right. Very nice canopy. I like the lines on it. It does look a little similar to some other brands, but it's definitely got its own characteristics. Definitely here with this angled cut in here. The vent windows here, and also here on both sides. Get you a lot of good ventilation there for your ESC. And this is cool. This little hump here. I like that. That's different. And the canopy feels very sturdy. They spent some money on this canopy. It's not flimsy at all. I will tell you this. When the package showed up to my door, I picked up I knew it was the kit. But when I picked up the box, I was like, crap, this thing is light. Usually it's heavy. Now, it could be heavy from packaging. It could be the actual parts. It could be a lot of parts in the kit. It's just a lot of factors of, does it weigh a lot? But this is said to be very light, a very light 700. But I personally don't like helis that are too light. Once they get too light, it's hard for them to hold, like in hurricanes and different maneuvers. And it's like you find yourself using extra collective to try to get it to move into the position that you want. So I like a little bit of weight. You know, I like my girls a little bit thick. You know what I'm saying? Just a little tad extra weight. Just carries it through. But I like the canopy. I like the colors. I just like it. It looks slick. Well, let's look at the boom. Now, I'm telling you, this boom is, boy, it's a humdinger. It's very, I like how it comes with these ends on it. I don't know if you use that in the actual build or not, but the boom is very thick. It's thicker. It feels thicker than the raw boom, and it feels thicker than the Goose Sky. Definitely thicker than the Tron, but is thicker better? I don't know. We'll see when we put this kit together. Here's number one. Guess this is number one, putting the head together. So everything comes assembled. I kind of like this, but then I kind of don't. For me, I don't like to assemble or disassemble something just to assemble it again. But this way, it helps with quality control, making sure things fit. The tolerances are there, the screws and the threads, you know, go together nicely. So it's always a plus, but it just adds more time. But whatever. Not my preference, but I get it. So here's the head. Looks nice and beefy. I like how it says Steam on there. Steam. They're doing the branding thing. All right. Nice thick main shaft. That's bag one. Bag two, main gear. Okay. Got the slanted gears there. Okay, I've seen that in other kits. That's been going on for years. Where's three? Three is Looks like motor mount, some braces, maybe a bottom brace plate, radius pin guide, yeah, belts, pulleys, stuff like that. All right. 4 is the side frames. So looks like upper frames, lower frames. Okay. I like the cuts on here. They're very abrupt and very aggressive. I like that. I like that. Maybe this is a motor mount. Yeah, I think so. And maybe the radio plate, ESC tray, all that stuff. Gotcha. All right. 6 is the landing gear. Bro, this landing gear is no joke. It's very sturdy. Now, I don't know if it'll take a crash really well, but it might seem like it's maybe too hard. Like maybe it doesn't flex enough, but it's no joke. There's skid pipes in there, all that. All right, 6. I think this is the battery tray. Yeah, maybe a battery tray or something. Yeah, it is, because you got the Velcro straps. 8. That's a sexy little tail you got in there. Look at that. I like that. Okay. Got the tail section in here, tail fin, tail belt, and the hub in here. But I'll take all this stuff out so you can see it as I'm building it. Blade holder. Some odds and ends. I thought these were, when I first saw them and looked at them, I'm like, looks like extra head dampers, but I don't think they are. I think they go on the skids. Got some zip ties in there, some double-sided tape. I don't know what this is, but, oh, is that servo horns? Yeah, I think I saw servo horns in one of these bags. Servo horns comes with it, and this looks like I don't know what this is. Maybe a swatch plate leveler or something. I don't know. We'll get into that a little bit later. That is 10, and we got 9 here. We skipped this one. This is a tail push rod. So that's what's in the kit. Nothing special here. The packaging is kind of straightforward. Nothing like, jazzed up like some of the SAB kits, but it gets you straight to the point. And it feels like there's not a lot of parts, but looks can be deceiving. The only way to really tell is to start to build this bad boy. So I am going to get started on this now. I think I'm going to be running a Hobby Wing 260 in here, Eagle Drift 4530, 550 kV, and some surprise new servos that I want to kind of slap in this model to see if they do their thing. You'll see them coming up. All right. Thank you. Appreciate you guys. See you in the next section.